Welcome to our tutorial on customizing your Substack app experience. If you prefer reading without unexpected media interruptions, disabling autoplay for videos and audio can enhance your browsing comfort. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn off autoplay in the Substack app. First, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Then, within the Settings menu, tap on Display to view display-related options. Finally, in the display settings, locate the option labeled Autoplay Media and uncheck the box next to it. This action will prevent videos and audio from playing automatically as you scroll through posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching and enjoy a more tailored Substack experience.